I am making some ackee seasoned rice today. This is my ackee, my saltfish, piece of pumpkin, my season that I've chopped up, and some mixed vegetable. I'm going to add some coconut oil to my pot. You can use any oil you want to use, but I'm using coconut oil. Okay. I have added 2 spoons of coconut oil to my pot, and now I'm going to add my seasoning to my pot. This is the way how I cook my seasoned rice. This is the way how my mother cook it, and people cook it in different ways, but I am cooking. I'm going to add my pumpkin, and it is so colorful and smells so nice. And then I'm going to add my saltfish so that all the flavors could simmer into it and give it the flavor it's supposed to get. Okay. Next, I'm going to add my vegetable, my mixed vegetable. I'm going to add. Okay. And I have added some coconut milk. I'm going to add some water so the water could cook the pumpkin. Add enough water to the pot so it can cook the pumpkin, soften the pumpkin a little. Okay. I'm not going to add the ackee to my pot as yet. Okay. So I'm going to cover my pot and allow my pumpkin to cook. Now I'm checking on my pot, and this smells so nice. So my pumpkin has cooked. So I'm going to add my rice to my pot. Now I'm going to add my rice. And I'm going to add my ackee also to this pot. Look at the color. It is pretty. And I'm going to cover my pot and let it cook. Okay. So pretty. Yeah, I'm checking on my rice. This is my seasoned rice. A lot of ackee in it. And the pumpkin, I also give it the color. And this is my finished ackee saltfish seasoned rice. I've plated my ackee saltfish seasoned rice, and looking lovely, and it tastes. I know it tastes lovely.